Hi, I'm AJ, and I'm an independent sales consultant for Norwix. And today, I would like to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed to my YouTube channel and has supported me through this journey to reach my first 100 subscribers. So today, I'm offering a giveaway of the MVP packet from Norwix. And what that consists of, it will be an enviro cloth, a window cloth, and a body cloth. These three things will be sent to you directly as a giveaway for the month of June 2019. And so how you can be eligible for this, you have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. And then in the comments box below, you have to hashtag MVP. And then on June 29th, I will draw a name, and that person will receive these three products for free, no strings attached. It's just something that I'm giving away because this is my business and this is how I operate it, and I want to be a blessing to you, and I would like you to try these products for yourself. So once again, if you have not already, subscribe, hashtag MVP in the comments box, and I will announce the winner. One person shall win on June 29th, 2019. So I'm looking forward to sending these products to your home. You guys have a great day. Bye.